See here, if anyone asking question, how to advertise your business on social media? Your social media completely dependent by two things. Ash will be trending on your keyword. Second will be AirDrag, tagging to your persons. Your Google Plus, we can promote for Google Plus profile, branding page, collections, and communities. Second thing, we can promote for Facebook profile, page, and groups. Third one, Twitter and LinkedIn. So first of all, if you open for individual, it will take time. So we can individually open and we can share it will be take the time. The simple way to we can promote is called we can using for third party website. The website name is called anyimage.io. Don't do any spelling mistake. Any image, not images. Anyimage.io. This total view will be free. In this website, advantage is called I tell you. Your website title, your posting title, total different. Suppose you are working for MNC companies. You always say for changing for title, they can't change. Why? Because the MNCs they can follow the one title from the promoting purpose. They launching some product, we had to show the title from the peoples. So here, your title and that title totally different. Now here, first of all, I'm going to the my this one. Click for services. In this services, I can select for in this option design development company in Hyderabad. But here I can promote for companies in Hyderabad. Why? Why? Because already is promoted by through my image. I can promote this content different image from social media. Different image for social media. Always remember same content we can post it to user, they will be confused. Same title we can post it. So we can always changing for image, post on your content from social media. URL same. What is changing for? Your title, description, and image. The option we are using for animation.io. So your link promote for multiple keywords, multiple description, multiple images. But your will be one. In this one, select your file. The URL will be select two ways. One is called Google Images. Second will be your upload images. In this one, you can select for the downloads. I can select for in this image. For that, web design development companies in Hyderabad. Select it. Is going to computing. After that, select your title. Next one, description. Here I'm writing for next one. Adding for destination. What is my title here? Web design development company in Hyderabad. What I'm writing here? Companies in Hyderabad. Now select the URL. The image will be showing for can small or capital also. Select for large. Select your title. Here, don't mistake for this option. You can writing for like this also. Why? You can show my company name also. User can understand purpose. The content will also for our Rakesh Tech solutions. This one. Copy. Click for finish. After computing, we can promote for the social network is the four: Facebook, groups, friends timeline, and pages, Twitter, Google Plus, and LinkedIn. First of all, click for Twitter. Careful watch. Login is much more important for the same browser. Select it. Using for hashtag. Social media completely dependent by hashtag is very important. If you mistake for hashtag, they can't promote your website. Login and tweet. This is the first of all. Twitter is done. After that, close it. Next one, Facebook. We can share it with the groups, pages, and etc. See this one. Let's see this one. Here, when sharing the option here, image will be not appear. Yes or no? That is called close. Once again click. When image is not appear, we can click for double times. Once close and open it. The image will open. See, change it. My image and my posting image. See the difference. Both are same or different? Here are the same. Image different, title different, and description different. Now click here. Select your page. The page you can select for the post on Facebook. In Facebook, you can promote for multiple group and multiple pages, multiple friends, and multiple on your different private message. Now it is click for this option. Next, I'm selecting for group. Your careful watch. Click here, group, and select for post it. Is a Facebook. Next one, we can select option call is LinkedIn. Now click for LinkedIn. You can post for your maybe profile, maybe other option also. Here, select the two options, your timeline and your profile also. Open your file here. This website, the links will be not getting spam. No issue about the spam. A lot of people say about this third-party website getting our website spam. This website is complete for genuine. No spamming on this website. Share your post. Select it. Click for post here. Done. View post if you are stuck on your LinkedIn. Next one. Google Plus. See, again we can share for how many social network? Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Google Plus. Here, a lot of people asking question. So why Instagram not support? Why? Because the link not integrated on your Instagram account. So Instagram totally depend on your images and with the hashtag on your keyword. Select it. Click for post. Is it clear? If you advertise any kind of things on social media, we can using for third-party websites called anyimage.io. You can promote for Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. If you promote for different images and a different title and description, same title, same description, same keyword, you can use it for website. Go down in the option call is Facebook, Google Plus, and Twitter. Is it clear? This is called promote on your content on your social media network. The website is called anyimage.io.